Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Ajale. Our today's topic is circulatory system. The circulatory system, cardiovascular system, pumps blood from the heart to the lungs to get oxygen. The heart then sends oxygenated blood through arteries to the rest of the body. The veins carry oxygen poor blood back to the heart to start the circulation process of power. Your circulatory system is critical to healthy organs, muscles, and tissues. Your heart and blood vessel make up the circulatory system. The main function of the circulatory system is to provide oxygen, nutrients, and homogeneous to muscles and hormones and muscles, tissue, and organs throughout your body. Another part of the circulatory system is to remove wounds, to remove to waste from cells to organs so your body can dispose of it. Your heart pumps blood to the body through a network of arteries and veins, blood vessels. Your circulatory system can also be defined as your cardiovascular system. Cardio means heart and vascular refers to the blood vessel. The circulatory system provides blood to all the body's tissues so they can function. The circulatory system function is move blood throughout the body. This blood circulation keeps organs, muscles and tissue health working to keep alive. The circulatory system also help your body get rid of waste product. This waste include carbon dioxide from respirations, breathing, other chemical bioproducts from your organs, waste from things you eat and drinks. How does the circulatory system work? Your circulatory system function with the help of blood vessels that include arteries, veins and capillaries. These blood vessels work with your heart and lung to continuously circulate blood through your body. Here's how: the heart button right pumping chamber, that is right ventricles, sends blood that low in oxygen poor blood to the lungs. Blood travels throughout the pulmonary trunk, the main pulmonary artery. Blood cells pick up oxygen in the lungs. Pulmonary veins carry the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart's left atrium, that is upper heart chamber. The left atrium sends the oxygenated blood into the left ventricles. Lower chambers, this muscles part of the heart pumps blood out to the body through the arteries. As it moves through your body and organs, blood collects and drops off nutrients, hormones, and waste products. The veins carry the oxygenated blood and carbon dioxide back to the heart, which send the blood to the lungs. Your lungs get rid of the carbon dioxide when you exhale. The circulatory system parts, the parts of your circulatory system: heart, blood vessel, blood. Heart, a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. Blood vessel, which include your arteries, veins and capillaries. Blood made up of red and white blood cells, plasma and platelets. System of circuits. Your circulatory system has three circuits: the pulmonary circuits, the systematic circuits, and the coronary circuits. This circuit carries of blood without oxygen from the heart to the lungs. The pulmonary veins return oxygenated blood to the heart. The systemic circulatory. In this circuit, blood, oxygen, nutrients and hormones travels from the heart to the rest of the body. In the veins, the blood picks up waste product as the body uses up the oxygen, nutrients and hormones. The coronary circuits. Coronary refers to your heart arteries. This circuits provides the heart muscle with the oxygenated blood. The coronary circuit then return oxygen poor blood to the heart right upper chamber, that is arterium, to send the lungs for oxygen. There are three main types of blood vessel: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Circulatory system organs. Your heart is only circulatory system organs. Blood goes from the heart to the lung, get the oxygen. The lungs as part of the respiratory system. The heart pumps oxygenated blood through the arteries. So this is all about the circulatory system. So thank you.